This is a strengthening question, and we have to support the environmentalist's suggestion. The conclusion is that it is actually noise and light pollution from population centers that cause the terns to avoid the population centers. The missing link is between the population of cats typically growing near population centers and the conclusion that it is actually noise and light pollution from population centers that cause the terns to avoid these areas. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should strengthen this conclusion. Answer choice A. This answer choice says that the terns avoid areas near population centers even when those population centers do not have large cat populations. If this is so, it indicates that the terns are actually avoiding the population centers and not necessarily avoiding the cats. So this answer choice strengthens the conclusion that it is not the cat that the terns are avoiding, but it is actually the noise and light pollution from population centers that the terns are avoiding. A good answer choice is keep this on hold. Answer choice B. This answer choice states that the environmental impact of population centers makes the area amicable for feral cats, and that these cats hunt birds such as the terns. So basically this answer choice talks about population centers attracting feral cats, but doesn't suggest anything about why the terns are avoiding these areas. In other words, this answer choice doesn't suggest whether the terns are avoiding these areas because of the population of cats or because of the noise and light pollution from the population centers. So this answer choice simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. This answer choice says that terns have been observed to avoid areas with large feral cat populations even when there is no noise and light pollution. So basically this answer choice says that the terns avoid the cat populations. However, this answer choice doesn't suggest anything about whether the terns are avoiding these specific areas because of noise and light pollution from these population centers. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice talks about areas that the terns do not avoid. So this answer choice does not suggest anything about whether it is the noise and light pollution from population centers or the cats because of which the terns avoid these particular areas. So this answer choice simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. This answer choice says that terns begin avoiding an area after the development of population center and the growth of the cat population. So basically, this answer choice suggests that both the factors, that means population centers and cat population, could be responsible for the terns to avoid these areas. However, this answer choice doesn't suggest anything about whether the noise and light pollution from population centers is the real reason for the terns to avoid these specific areas. So this answer choice again simply adds information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. A is the correct answer choice.